morning, everyone. Today we are at the stall of Schmalz and we are in a conversation with Mr. Linder, who is going to tell more about the Binar Handling that they are going to present at the IMTEX 2024. Let us know more from him. Could you please tell us about Binar Handling?
Yes, hello. My name is Torbjörn Linder. I'm from the Binar Handling headquarters in Sweden. We have here today the product, a Binar Handling product. This particular product we call the Quick Lift. It's a manipulator arm and it's very energy efficient. It's electrically driven. It has a lot of features which reduces the maintenance cost. So it's a new product for India since a couple of months ago, and we are here at IMTEX at the first time.
Welcome to the IMTEX firstly. Also, I would like to ask you, how is going to Binar Handling, the first product, how is it going to benefit the industries overall?
It's going to benefit the industry with a couple of things. First of all, it will help the operator in the industry to have an ergonomic work situation. It will help also with a low energy cost. And as I said also, the low maintenance cost. And the low maintenance cost is primarily because we have a couple of features with all quick lifts standard. I can show you here. It's always swiveling, which is that the wire rope and the spiral cable, electrical connections, air connections is not jeopardized. It's always kept in a good mood, good state.
Yes. So that was Mr. Linder from Schmalz, and thank you, Mr. Linder.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.